What's going on, guys? So got a little update on my life and my bikes, I guess. So I'm gonna be doing a race coming up called Sea Otter Classic. I'm gonna be doing the downhill race, and I'm gonna be doing it on a trail bike. And I was going to be doing it on the Polygon. Polygon is a great bike. I've had nothing but good things to say about this bike, especially when I upgraded the rear shock. It's just been a freaking awesome bike. And the Sea Otter downhill course isn't really that gnarly at all. And there's a lot of pedaling. So honestly, this bike would have been just fine. But I kept seeing non-stop videos and posts about how the frame's breaking right here underneath the underneath where the seat tube connects to the top tube. And as you can see, I got these super cool stickers all over, so I'm constantly peeling the sticker up looking to see if there's a crack under there, because I'm afraid that it's gonna crack. And honestly, like, I can't have that on the back of my mind constantly, that my bike might break. And obviously there's a trail bike, it's a budget bike. I ride it a lot gnarlier than I guess the average person would. So that brings me to this. Bam! I got the Alloy Stumpy 15. And this thing's gonna do way better. I'm not worried about stuff breaking. I got the turbo levo, so honestly the geometry and everything is gonna be pretty damn similar to the turbo levo. Same size frame and everything's pretty damn close. But everyone says that the Genie shock makes this into a little mini downhill bike, and that's kind of what I'm after right now. So I'm gonna get this guy built up, but since I'm on a budget, I'm gonna have to use the parts off of this bike. But yeah, I mean, it's all super budget Dior Shimano stuff, but you know what? It doesn't matter, because it shifts, it stops, and it rolls, and that's all I really needed it to do. And honestly, the main thing I was worried about was the frame breaking. So aside from that, everything else did what I needed it to do. So I'm gonna get all these parts swapped out, get them onto that frame, have a badass frame with budget parts, and go race a downhill race at Sea Otter. So let's check it out. Alright, well, apparently I don't need this headset cup presser dealie. I'm a little old school, I guess, but you don't need those anymore, or at least for Specialized. And I was tripping out, so much so that I had to read the actual instructions, and that's not something that I normally do. But yeah, so these parts just set in. And that's it. It literally just set in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that's a wrap on the bike swap. Came out pretty awesome. I ended up ditching the Maguros because I've always hated them, and ran the Tektros from the Polygon, because honestly, to tell you the truth, Tektro is the same as TRP. Well, same company. It's not as good of a brake, but dude, these things feel great. I mean, for what they are, they're good enough. I mean, you don't need brakes really, they just slow you down, right?